The Open Space Authority is an independent public agency, if many of you don't know, that has protected over 26,000 acres of open space land in Santa Clara Valley. And it operates three preserves that are open for the public 365 days of the year, free of charge for walking, bird watching, bicycling, and for me, hosting personal hiking groups that I enjoy every month. Plus, we protect farmland that has sustained a local healthy food source and provided environmental educational programs throughout our jurisdiction, which covers Milpitas, San Jose, Santa Clara, Campbell, Morgan Hill, and unincorporated Santa Clara County. The land we protect serves as a natural infrastructure that, in addition to beautifying the places we call home, provides a vital habitat for wildlife, which can be seen on almost every hike that you go on. The natural floodplain and hillsides we protect help recharge groundwater in times of drought and reduce risk of downstream flooding and the heavy storm events. And our thoughtful stewardship programs of lands we manage provides an important buffer from wildlife around our communities. But I'd like to mention that during COVID crisis, we've managed to keep all our preserves open and safe. I enjoyed them with my family, so I'm super grateful for those opportunities. And I will tell you that we've noticed a greater diversity of visitors, with so many consider open space to be essential during this times for health reasons, mental health, and it really is a key part of, keeping our sanity during these times. We operate on a tight budget of $12 million a year, and 2/3 of which comes from Measure Q, which was passed overwhelmingly by supporters in 2014. In the past 6 years, we've completed almost 300 projects, some of them through grants to community groups in urban areas, all from Measure Q funding. Measure T on this November's ballot is simply a renewal of the Measure Q's $24 annual parcel tax, that with no increase until ended by voters. This renewal will allow us to follow through on our commitment to public of keeping our preserves open, perpetuity, protect more of our treasured open spaces, and to continue to connect nature and urban communities. And I will end with, being a native of San Jose, I grew up as a child in these cherry blossoms and cherry fields, plum fields, in the beautiful mountain range, enjoyed the rains, and I'm proud that I've raised my 5 children in these same spaces that I've enjoyed as a child. And it is due to the work of agencies like Open Space Authority and to measures like Measure T that protects land, leaves it open, and gives opportunity for so many communities around our county to enjoy, and many people that come from other counties and other parts of this Bay Area. So I'm really honored today to be here as a board member and someone from this community to really support Measure T. Supporting Measure T does create not just protected land that we can all enjoy, but opportunities for diverse communities to have access. Measure T doesn't just help the organization protect, preserve, but it also gives an opportunity for communities that normally are not traditionally in these spaces. Why I support Measure T is because we have to start somewhere. We have to have organizations like Open Space Authority functioning, protecting, and including all of our communities that it works in. And I just think it's very important for people to understand how it works, how preservation begins, and the great leaders are Open Space Authority and many of our partnering organizations that works together to protect land.